we are one family. In the Congress party, we are allowed, it's a democratic party. We are allowed to speak and express our views. We do not come under some dictatorial approach like the Bharatiya Janata Party. At the same time, the Congress party is also thinking of what went wrong in 2022 when all forces came together. There was an agenda, that was a perception created within the people that and आमकां दिसतालें Congress government येतलो म्हणून, but we got 11 out of whatever 40 with our alliance partner, we got 11. So where we failed, what we failed, this is part of a political strategy that at the right time you will see. We are very confident that in the few days to come, several leaders are going to join us who are going to be potential MLAs. You will see in the days to come, and we are confident that the Congress party will form the government. Maka dista ki you have seen in the assembly. In the assembly, it is not easy to face the ruling when they are 33. Today, every assembly session, we expose them. Now, we cannot go there and catch God nampa thengalo. Adhe corruption kota hai, fraud kota hai. We are exposing them. Now, what I see is that, yes, every opposition party has their own political ambition. Every politician has their own political ambition. Everyone wants to come back, contest elections, get back in the assembly. Now it is up for the people to decide whether someone can be elected as a punch, whether someone can be elected as a councillor, as chairperson, as MLA. That is for the party to decide, and that is for the people to decide. But as now we are 7 in the opposition, you have seen that no matter what our political differences, I do not want to maka them barik, amgelo role is that we should stand as Goenka right from day one to a government failed policy padhe expose korpak. Within our party, anyone might have their views, we respect their views, and it is for the party high command to take a call on what needs to be done. But right now, at the helm of affairs, we have a young team that is going. It's not easy, I should say that, but we are working, and I'm quite sure that the Congress will be the single largest party. We will form the government. What partners are going to be there, who are going to be with us is something that in due course, but the Congress party is going to strengthen its base in all the 40 constituencies.
So what he mentioned, he said after Parikar, the Pramod Sawant is the CM who can able to control the opposition. Do you think in that way?
See, personally, these are his views. Personally, he said that Parikar is to control the opposition.
After Parikar, who can control the opposition?
Let's be very honest. Pramod Sawant is the Chief Minister of the state. So any political MLA, this is what is the view of the MLA. Constituencies or tuka umki kaam hai dalar, it is up to Pramod Sawant to do it. Apart from that, there is no absolutely hidden agenda. I cannot speak for others. But as Congress party, my role is very clear that we have to expose this Pramod Sawant Sarkar, the way corruption has been happening, way there are recruitment scams and all these things. We have exposed it, and it is for the people to decide. So now we have Zilla elections. In the Zilla elections last time, how many seats did the Congress party won? I think about 4 or 5 in the entire state. I remember when I was member of the Congress party in the municipal election, I was able to retain the only municipality in the entire state, Kungole municipality. All had gone to the BJP. But now you will see a change. We did it in the South Goa. People, लोग आमक मुटाले अरे बाबा ते साउथ गोवा तुम जिंकतले मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून 60,000 मतान जिंकतले जिंकले नाही आता तो रेज कोना इशू कॅप्टन विराटो फेर्नांडीस इज ही नॉट रेजिंग इश्यूज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हॅव यू सीन हिम हांवें सांगलोलें की तो गोंयचो आवाज थिंग जातो मग आनी आज ह्या पद्दतीन तो इश्यू रेज कोता म्हाका खबर ना कोणा तरी तर हरपोत एक कडेन आनी हरजोते दुसरे कडेन जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना वॉट इज द रिजन फॉर दीस बट nothing is going to stop us when the party has decided that we have a clear-cut agenda to basically make sure that this BJP does not remain in the state, and we are confident taking everyone into confidence, we will make sure their views will be respected, and we will make sure that what is best in the interest of the Congress party in the state, the decisions will be taken.
So you mentioned the new leaders are joining.
Yeah.
So this when it is.
No, you will see maybe in the next, I think post Easter, there will be one joining, a very senior person. There'll also be another, so it will be a continuous process. I think about 4 to 5 new faces will be seen in the next 20-25 days, who definitely will work towards the upliftment of the Congress party.
New.
Now that you will see.